Hi everyone, on today's video I'm going to teach you about these called foam rollers. We're going to walk through the basic use of these, what the benefit is, and how to properly use them. They're pretty easy to use, so we'll go through that pretty quick. But there is different colors, as you can see in the camera. There's this blue one and this black one. This black one's more dense, harder foam, and then this is super soft, has some bounce back to it. And there's also there's white ones that are softer than these blue ones. And there is also some people just buy PVC pipes and have them cut to a certain length because that's what they prefer. At home, I have one that's a PVC pipe that has a harder foam on it that gets a little deeper. But as we talk about this, you understand why I use one that's more dense and thicker, doesn't have as much, isn't as soft, is more firm as we go through this video. So to begin, these foam rollers we use for recovery, stretching out, different stuff like that. A little bit of injury prevention as well. So the biggest thing with these is they're going to increase the blood flow to your muscles, which is always a good thing. It's going to help get more nutrients into those muscles, water, oxygen to those muscles, and help those systems that are in your muscle to rebuild faster. It's going to help ease muscle pain. It's going to really help to work out. It's kind of like a massage, same concept going on, and it's going to help you relax. It's really going to help break up that tension that you do have in your muscles. That's where usually when you are stressed out, you do build up tension, causing those muscles to tighten and shorten, causing lead to chronic pain. But what we're going to do, when you start off using these, you're going to probably want to use something that's a little softer like this blue one. I think this blue one would be perfect for a lot of beginners. Super soft. They also come longer. They come longer, and some come shorter. Some are even smaller than this, just for certain target areas that you're looking at. But these are good to work the whole body. I like these a lot. This size a lot. So when you start off, you're going to really want to start off with light pressure. You're going to try to use your arms and your body to not put all your body weight on whatever muscle you're working on. The next thing it may be painful at first, but try to ease into it again. Try to not put all your weight on the areas when you're first starting. That will definitely cause more pain. And you're going to start off with 10 seconds, and then you can go to 30 seconds to a minute in each muscle area that you are rolling out. And drink plenty of water after. That's always a key. They say that after massage as well, drink plenty of water to help keep the fluids going, making sure it's washing out all that stuff, keeping you hydrated, making sure everything has the proper amount of water that it needs to function correctly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off. I'll use the blue one today to show you, so I'm not in too much pain. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with our calves. Another key point that you're not going to want to do with this is you're not going to want to roll over your joints. That can cause a lot of tissue damage or cause joint pain, which is not good. You don't want to be harsh on your joints. Your muscles, on the other hand, they definitely can take this. It's really good for them. So we're going to start out on the ground, just like this. And I like to start off with the lowest part of my body. Some people like to start off in other positions, maybe in their back and neck. But I'm going to show you. So what I do first is I put it under my calf just like this. I put it in the middle of my calf so it's evenly moved. And you can just, for now, you can just go up and back like this and move your leg with it. Or you can lift yourself up with your arms, go back and forth. Or I find this one a little bit easier. You can do both legs too. Or you can go one leg over the other, crossed like this. I can show you the angle like this, and then go up and back like that. And all you're going to want to do is roll the muscle. So just roll it out. You don't want to go to your knee joint. You don't want to go to your ankle joint. You just want to go as far down as you can and roll back up. It's really, really good Feels good. And then you can move your calf, your leg different ways to get more of the outer part of your calf. And then you can move into the inner part. And this helps to roll out that muscle. And once what you do to one side, you want to do to the other. So let's go do the same thing, just like that. The same thing. Try to breathe, focus on that muscle, watch it, roll around, try to do as much as you get to the other leg. Sometimes I forget, but it's really good to roll out, help stretch them, helps get blood flowing to them. Then you go and you can move it to your hamstrings. So you just kind of want to put it in the middle of your hamstrings, just like your calf. Again, you can just push back and forth just like that. Or I like to use my arms. It's a lot easier. Put this leg up. Hold yourself so you put less weight on it. Just like that. You can move out a little bit. Your hamstring, make sure you hit every part of the muscle. And then same thing, other leg. Again, you can do this for 10 seconds, 30 seconds to a minute, whatever duration you feel comfortable with, and work your way up. That's the biggest key, is working your way up to this. Again, this is a recovery. Just like that again. You can also do the crossover. Sorry, that's up and down. You can do a crossover just like that. Alrighty. Now what we can do, we can move on to the front part of our legs. So here are our shins and our quads. So this, you're going to go this way. And what I like to do when I do this is kind of a stretch too, but when I work my shins, I just roll them back and forth just like that. Not too hard, not going over the knee, not going over my ankle. And I just give it a nice tabletop position. Just like that. Alright, and then I switch to the next shin. Go it out just like this. And as you continue to do this, you'll figure out better ways that you like to do it. Everybody has a preference. So yeah, we just roll out our shins. And then we go from here. We're going to move to our quad again, and I'm putting the middle of the quad. Don't go too close to the knee, don't go too close to the hip joint. And this is going to really work that quad and that hip flexor. What I like to do is get a step up, like I'm stretching, so like this angle, and then I like to just roll on top of it. Go to the front, the back, just like that. And you breathe. You'll find those areas that are a little more tight than others, that hurt a little bit more. It's a good hurt. And then you're going to want the other quad, same thing, go up, belly out. This is how I like to do it. So your quad at the end of the day, go right here, and then it's up and down, just like that. You can see I'm just using my arms to swing back and forth. Go a little higher, get your hip flexor, not your hip joint. Those hip flexors. Then you can just lay on it for a second, get deeper into it, and then just you'll really feel it start hitting that hip flexor. Really fine. You don't want to go back too far. You just want to sit on that hip flexor and do little short movements. Alright. Now we're going to move on to your IT band. This one, I would say, probably is harder to do, and it can take some getting used to. But sitting on your side, and sitting on your side like this, just like that, and you're going to hit your IT band. You're going to go up the side of your leg right here, and hit that IT band, help loosen you up. Just like that. Remember, when you do the one leg, you gotta do the other. Our bodies are. Alright, the next one. Then, next side, IT down. Just like that. Hold it in some places. Just work it out. Just good job. Alright. Now we're going to go to our lower back. After you roll your legs up, go to your lower back. Right here. I just put it on the back. Just go up and back with it. Work all the way to your upper back. And then go back to your lower back. And again, you move your arms, get different point, different parts of your muscle, just like that. Down, just like that. Good job. And so what I like to do, this is a little bit more advanced, but I don't think it's too hard. I like to lay on it and just hold in that section and bridge over it. Try to just pick that point where there's a lot of tension in my lower back. Build up and just hold it for a couple seconds. And then roll it up a little bit. Try to get that tension to release in there. And you come up. Alright, so you don't hit it when you're going this way, horizontal. You hit your back, hit your full. But if you want to focus on the middle of your back, turn it vertical with your body. Okay. And then just go back and forth on it. This will help you back. Those middle back muscles, ones that are really tight, that are attached to your spinal cord, to your spine. Ones that are real deep down. Just want to go back and forth. Alrighty, the next thing I go to is my neck. Be very careful with your neck when you do this. I don't put any weight besides my head on it. I just push down and then I tilt my neck one way or the other, like I'm looking to cross the road. Just like that. If you pick the point, you don't want to lift up and put all that pressure right there on your neck. You just want to back and forth. Some spots you could rub back and forth like that. Really good. Alright. Now we're going to work some shoulders and arms. So for your shoulder, I like to get in tabletop position for this one. Put this vertical, the horizontal vertical. And I go over it, and I take this arm, and I bring it under, and then I roll. Just like that, avoiding that elbow joint, and avoiding that shoulder joint. Just like that. Roll out that tricep, the shoulder, the deltoids, especially that posterior deltoid. And then again, of course, once you do the other, or once you do one to one side, you have to do the other. So you come back down, go back over, just like that. Alrighty. And then you can roll up, right here, you can roll up your forearms, just like that. Roll it over, just like that. Again, the other side. Back down. Alrighty, now we're going to work on our lats underneath our arms. So what I do is grab it, make it go vertical again, right under my side, and now just roll on it. And that'll roll out those lats, get them nice and loose, help loosening your back up. Get your serratus too, right there. Good job. Again, same thing, other side. Roll it out. And just like that. Go under your arm too as well. But those are some basics for using the foam roller. Helps get everything nice loosened up. Get some blood rush into your muscles. I feel better already, but it's also just for recovery. Just on those days that you feel a little extra tight, or every day, whatever else comfortable with. These can be a little pricey, but sometimes on Amazon they're pretty cheap. You also can use a PVC pipe that I do. That's pretty firm, and it can cause a little more pain, especially if you're extremely tight. Just be careful. Try to pick one that works for you and work your way up. Everything is on the work your way up spectrum. But thanks again, and have a wonderful rest of your week.